Xurux has in-depth knowledge of blockchain. They educate people, they advise corporates and public organizations, and they build blockchain applications. Xurux created a blockchain that will be the blockchain of the Dutch notary. It already has more than 100 nodes. In this blockchain, Xurux can store contracts validated by the Dutch notaries. Xurux also has an insurance agents blockchain up and running with 60 nodes. Next on stage, Xurux.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm the tech guy of Xurux. Xurux is a company that does blockchain projects. We're specialized in blockchain projects. And I'm going to show you our new toolkit that we have built. I'm actually quite nervous because usually I sit behind my computer and can hide myself. So I will tell you the solution we have built, because we have done a lot of projects in the Netherlands. And when we finish projects, people are very happy with the result, but getting those projects into production is actually quite hard. So that's why we build tools where we can put the checks behind the project, so compliance and all the other guys are happy so that we can go in production. So let's start with an insurance. For me, an insurance is actually just a contract. A contract has parties, and if you want to establish a contract, then maybe it's a good thing that you start with a very simple user interface. So I'm going to show you in a demo. This is our secure messenger. We all have WhatsApp. WhatsApp is okay, but as an insurer, I don't want to deal with a company that has privacy as a business model. So we created a secure chat application, ISO certification, GDPR proof, all the things are in here. So now I'm going to chat with somebody in the audience. I say, hi, Peter. Peter is in the audience with us. And one of the important things is about a contract is that the parties are known. And in this system, we have integrated authentication of 27 authentication systems. And it's not a coincidence, but we use Signicat for that. So if I click on my name, you can see that I am verified with Eden. Eden is a Dutch authentication system. Like I mentioned, we have 27 authentication systems integrated. So I'm actually chatting with somebody I know. So I'm creating a transcript with Peter. So I'll ask Peter something. Hi, Justin. Can I borrow your car, for example? And if Peter says, yeah, that's fine with me, then I have actually an agreement. It's in a secure environment. Identities are known. And we have an option to download the transcript. So here I have an option to download the transcript. I have a PDF file with agreement. This is actually a very simple agreement, but it's unstructured. So the next thing we want to solve is how can we get this structured? Well, everybody talks about bots and robots. So we added a bot to this chat application. And this bot can talk to Watson, it can talk to TensorFlow, it can talk to all kinds of technologies. There are a lot of technologies around. So I'm going to add on the robot that can help us make a structured agreement. So I will activate the robot. And I want agreement. And it helps us creating a structured. So he asked me, who are the parties? Well, Peter is the party. I can add more people, of course, if I want. Why do you want to register an agreement? Well, I don't want any friction with Peter. That's why we are doing this. This is called the consideration of the agreement. So, what would you like to agree upon? I would like to borrow your boat tomorrow. So, are there any special conditions about this agreement? Yeah, there are. What is a special condition? If it breaks, if it breaks, I will pay the current value. So this is the agreement. The parties, they are known. The consideration, the agreement, the terms, the date of registration, the identities have been verified, and now we can close the deal. We can seal this agreement. I will have to accept this agreement, but Peter has to accept this agreement as well. And he does it right now. And now the PDF is generated and it will be stored into the blockchain. Why? Because there isn't any other company who can store this agreement. So there's the agreement and the transaction result from the blockchain. And now he asked me if I want to save this agreement in my personal system. That could be a Google Drive or something that we have built. Maybe if I have time left, because the counter is going down, maybe I can show you later on. But this is how we have created a little bit structured agreement. This blockchain you see here is a blockchain that we have founded in the Netherlands. It's an insurance blockchain, and we did that with all kinds of companies in the Netherlands, people of the traditional insurance. So we asked them to join this initiative. They paid money to get a node, and we created a Dutch insurance blockchain. We did it as well with the notary. We have 100 participants on the notary blockchain, and actually we are the biggest permission blockchain in the Netherlands right now, and I think even in Europe. So we use this blockchain with traditional companies to innovate together and to make this stuff like this happen. So this is my last example. I'm going to show you a structured process. So this is actually me as a person, Justin, and the insurance company who has the robot. So I say hi to the robot, and he asked me, do you have something that you want to, if it breaks you cannot afford? Yeah, I have that. So yeah, Justin, can you tell me what it is? Yeah, well, for example, my telephone. And then he will ask me what the value is, 750 euros. Can I insure your telephone for 21 cents a day? Yeah, sure, why not? How many days? Well, I'm going on a holiday for 30 days, so insure it for 30 days, please. The terms, general terms here. Do you accept this insurance? Yes, I accept. Now the insurance policy is being generated. It's been stored in the blockchain as well, like I just mentioned. And he asked me, do you want an insurance certificate? Yeah, I would like an insurance certificate, because I'm Dutch and I want a certificate for this. Here's a certificate. Do you want to store it in your personal system, my Dropbox or something else? It is stored, and now I'm finished. So what you see here are all kinds of tools that we use for projects. We did a project with ING, other big companies, because they find it very hard to make GDPR-proof systems, integrate all kinds of authentication systems, setting up permission blockchain networks. And that's why we made this, and I hope we can help you with stuff like this. And like I mentioned, we also work together with companies like Signicat you've seen before me. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much.